Hey guys, Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property. Today we'll be doing some, well, you can't see them. You can't see them. They're hiding. We are doing some solar panels. So the entire front side of the house is covered with solar panels. We're going to be cleaning them today. Yes, it is cloudy. Yes, it's sprinkling a little bit. It doesn't matter. We can clean them anyways. A lot of people think that because of the rain, their solar panels are being cleaned year round. Actually, it's making it worse. So you know how like when you wash your car and you don't rinse it off completely, it's just little dribbles, drops, and little water spots everywhere. Exactly the same thing happening to your solar panels. You got to get them cleaned. You got to use a brush. You got to use deionized water, which is what we're using with this little system right here on the ground. It takes all the iron and minerals and gunk out of the water from your hose or your spigot, and it puts out fresh, clean water. So what that process is going to do is going to leave them fully clean, fully clear. You have the most efficiency for your solar panels. A lot of people are actually losing around 35% of efficiency through their solar panels, as much as 85% too. Depending where you live, we live in the Central Valley. A lot of dust, a lot of debris everywhere in the air, being surrounded by mountains, being surrounded by agricultural areas and farms. So today we're going to be cleaning this client's solar panels, and I'll show you the process right now. Alright guys, so we're going to first start off with extending our pole all the way to the maximum length, because we are not going to be getting up on the roof today. Right here you can see that I'm waiting for my pump to be pumping out fresh, clean, deionized water from the spigot. It takes a little bit to get all the contaminants out and go through the resin, which is going to be a little pouch that clears out all the contaminants from the water. It's kind of like if you have the Brita filter. That's an easy way to explain it. But we're not going to be getting up on the roof today because we do not climb up on roofs, especially for the ceramic shingles or Spanish tiles. They're very brittle, and this one, the roof needs to be replaced on it, so definitely don't want to be cracking any more tiles that are already cracked. So the way we manage that is having a really long pole and making sure we get the right angles for the solar panels and make sure we get all of them. The way to clean solar panels is going to be make sure that you are rinsing them off with clear water, get all that top dirt off. Then you scrub from the top down, and this is what we do to help make sure that everything gets rinsed off properly. And also we can use gravity to help push all that stuff down. The biggest thing with these solar panels wasn't really the dust or debris. I ended up just having a lot of bird droppings. So the bird droppings can really stick up on a solar panel, completely block out those cells that are underneath the bird droppings, and really decrease your efficiency for the solar panels. So we had to make sure we did some extra scrubbing and got all those bird droppings off, which is going to be awesome. Also, when you're done scrubbing and everything, you want to make sure you're rinsing it off with the water-fed pole brush. Right here, we're going to be hitting up that last side. This side was the worst because there was actually a bird's nest underneath these solar panels. We're going to be going back there within a couple weeks to bird-proof these solar panels. So another job there. After the job was finished, this property owner actually came out and looked at the panels. We have before and after pictures as well, and the cleaning process video that we sent them. They were really ecstatic with the way the solar panels looked, and they left us a 5-star review on Google, which you can go see at our Google business page, aquacleansing.com, and see at our website as well, aquacleansingpresswashing.com. All right, guys, this is Tony from Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property.